Okay, I'm working on the brake lines, or brake lines and the clutch line. So the other day, I built my lines, got all my lines done, and I was an idiot. They should have been bubble flare ends. Instead, I created double flare tapered ends. And my tool that I was using was a cheap one, and I messed the ends up. I had to straighten this out and cut the end off and redo it several times to get it to quit leaking here. I had leaks down at here, and so I got frustrated and I just quit working on the car for a couple weeks. I got rid of the bad tool and went and bought a new one. So here's the new tool. And I paid a little bit for it, but I didn't want to have to fight anymore. So it's got the die, set of dies. There's two of these, and you load that in. You select your line, and you load in your tubing. And we'll put the other die in. Oh, the die has a, you can see the recess. That's the part that's going to make the flare. And you flip your clamp over, push the pin through, start to tighten this up, and then there's you turn it to the correct setting. It might have too much pipe out, so back that off. So turn it to this setting. You can extend the pipe out a little bit, or the tubing. You leave this a little loose. Run the arm out. It pushes everything back, and it will bottom out it will bottom everything out, and it sets the tube in nice and flush with the end. Then you go ahead and tighten it down, clamp it in place. You select your size of tubing, and I'm running 3/16 tubing, and then you push on in and rotate, and it will create the nice bubble flare that I need on the Mini. So that's the operation of the new tool. I took my old lines that I had created for a pattern. I cut off the ends and bought steel line instead of copper this time. I've got the new end on. I've used the old copper line for a pattern, and I've recreated that line, but I need to put the fitting on this end. So that's where I'm at now. And I'll do that, and then I'll get that installed in the car. Thanks for watching. One beautiful brake line. Bent and installed. Now to do the clutch line next.